Namaste. Today we are going to learn how to do the Plough Pose, or in Sanskrit, Halasana. Halasana can help you to improve your digestion, calm your mind, relieve stress and anxiety, strengthen the back muscles, improves flexibility in the spine and shoulder, and stimulate your thyroid gland. Be careful. Avoid straining your neck. Keep your chin tucked in towards your chest. Don't turn your head left and right when you are doing this plough pose. If you have back issues, consult your doctor before trying this pose. Start by lying flat on your back with your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Inhale and lift your legs straight up towards the ceiling, forming a 90-degree angle with your body. Inhale, slowly use both hands to lift your hips up and legs reach to the mat. If your toes can reach the floor, put your hands down on the mat. Slowly bend your arms to support your back. Stay here. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. You can also hold your hand in fist and put them on the mat. Inhale and exhale. To release from the pose, slowly bend your hands and support your lower back, and then slowly back and lie down on the mat in Shavasana.